trying to burn out the spot.
Damn, my homie embarrassing me. I don't know.
Quickly, as quietly as possible. If you do a burnout, again, if you do a donut, we won't stop you, we won't tow your car for 30 days. So I highly suggest you don't do anything dumb on your way out. Please disperse very organized. Please disperse very organizedly. Don't do nothing dumb or your vehicle will be towed for 30 days.
Bravo, let's roll. Yo, you're deep. It's deep, deep. We out.
Please do not do a burnout and donut or your vehicle will be towed for 30 days. Please disperse quickly and quietly.
Police lit that bitch up. Car meet over. Shit. Boy just put up to the meet. Hoping this back here. That BMW sounds crazy. Bunch of people pulling up. Fucking cold. Just over.
W Boom Boom P, the radio station that plays all the new hip hop and R&B. That was the new Freakily by P. Pablo. Something to put a little round to your album, a little pep in your step. We're gonna keep it going and we're gonna play another one of the songs off of the album. This one right here, one of my personal favorites, featuring Young Buck from T-Unit. It's on.
I be on it all night, man. I be on it all day. Straight up pimp. If you want me, you can find me in the
That's what you call custom right there. You ain't never see another car like that for real. Hard. It's hard. That's it for right now. They'll probably be racing tonight. Let's see if I go to the races. They usually race after the meet. So we'll see. My plan is to go to the races, so we'll see. Oh shit, my bad. I wasn't even paying attention.
Hey, look at that big body.
I know. That bitch laid down too.
Oh,
That's what we seen driving around just now.
that was it.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber hood.
Carbon fiber hood and the little side scoop and the lip and shit. That bitch hard.
That's legit carbon fiber too.
Yeah, they ain't no rap.
Crack his lip.
They ain't no rap. Then we got the two-tone Kia. Stop playing.
Clean title though. Clean title.
Clean title. Stop playing. Oh, they got the Mustang. That bitch hard too. That's 550.
Oh yeah, fat ass cow.
Yeah, he got the hood. That bitch. They don't see me. I see these Hondas everywhere. These bitches hard though.
Motherfuckers be laying on the floor.
Yeah.
Get up.
Yep.
That'd be a fire ass intro to a video of a car just to make no shit get.
I went home real quick. About to head to the races now. I think they're probably already racing. I think they wait till the car meet ends, and I think it might have ended at like 10 or 11, 10:30. Anyways, I went home. I went to Walmart, bought some shit, and dropped it off at home. And now I'm gonna go to the races and let's see what's up. See y'all, catch y'all at the races. Will be the next video. I want to see that Honda LS, the LS Honda, the S2K. I want to see that race. So we'll see.
So you got drink, let me test it. This is pop. I'm calling Tuesday, bitch. I'm locked in. Just got some poppy. I gotta keep it on my pops. I'm a chill nigga, but I hang with all hot heads. You only paid $100 for that line, bro. Yo, popped in. I wasn't in the beef, but fuck you, let me hop in. I ain't been a Juma in a minute, but me and my ox locked in. Got a man up alone, I ain't got friends. I pour 8 up in a 20 ounce, not a popped in. Bitch, I was selling bones of kush when they
Just pulled up. It's cold as fuck right now. Just put up to the races though. In the Honda. The BMWs.
Hey, have you seen them?
It's cold as shit, dog. That boy is sleeping.
Point at him, point at you, Are you ready? Light comes on, get up cross control. Wait, light comes on. Light comes on, get up cross control.
It's cold as fuck.
It's cold as fuck as you bitch. Goddamn. He was like, get the fuck out and film it. I'm like, fuck you.
For real.
Put on drive!
Damn, my homie embarrassing me. I don't know.
Y'all, it's cold as fuck. It's cold as shit out here. Middle of the fucking desert. Coldest.
Oh, you want me to hop in it? Yeah? Here. Right here. Yeah. Tell me to hop in it, so let's go. No, you said hop in it, so let's go. I don't care. You said hop in it, let's go.
Unfortunately, the S2000 LS swapped Honda did not race, so I'm headed home. And yeah, I got a little bit of footage, but car I really wanted to see race was that car. He ended up being there for a while, and then he ended up leaving. I didn't really see anybody for him to race, so that's probably why he ended up leaving. Probably needed a guy to show up, and the guy didn't end up showing up, so he just bounced. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.